We have the t-shirts back in stock, my darlings. What is delayed is not denied. We have it in blue. Since you loved it so very much indeed, my darlings, you better go ahead and get your t-shirt before it sells out, because I just might go ahead and do a yellow t-shirt for you and an orange t-shirt. You have to bear in mind, Baby Girl is a small brand. We are self-funding here, so I can only do so much. But yes, the t-shirt is back and I am living and loving. I also have a surprise for you. Yes. You asked and I said, why not? We have brought the black t-shirt back. What is delayed is not denied. Are we living and loving? I am so excited. I mean, talk about keeping it in the family. For those of you that don't know, I was a beauty queen. Yes, I was Miss West Africa 1990. Yes, decades ago. And then it's come back full circle with my beautiful niece Farah, who is competing to be Miss Alberta. I want you guys to sponsor, to support her. She has a wonderful support page. Please go right ahead and support her. Please. She is absolutely beautiful and amazing. I remember when Farah was born, and to see her now walking on stage and winning all of these beauty competitions just warms my heart. So I want to use my platform to spread the word out there. Please support my wonderful niece Farah and just click onto the link and give her all the support that you can. I will deeply I will deeply appreciate it. And Farah, congratulations. Well, you know you're my daughter anyway, because I don't have daughters, so you are my daughter. It doesn't matter who birthed you, you're my daughter, and I am so proud of you. Fumi Nation, this is the first. Yes, my darlings, the next generation doing wonderful and amazing things, and for Farah to walk out on these platforms and really follow in my footsteps, I am absolutely speechless, and I want you to support her. Okay, all of my love. Thank you for everything. I love you guys. Mwah. There we go. Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? So yesterday I did the first episode about Nolan Xavier Wells, a young Black American boy who went to have a wonderful day on the 4th of July with his friends on a boat, and they went over to Horn Island. Needless to say, it's so sad. He never came back home. His friends left him there, and he was found 2 days later. We now have an update of where the friends have been questioned, and apparently Nolan left his phone on the boat. And that makes me suspicious, because we have a video where he's telling another boy, give me my phone. So the phone was not on the boat, but that's what the boy said. The question that I have here is, if that be the case and it was so straightforward, why are you lawyering up? Why did you deactivate your social media? They also went on to say that because he was with this girl, it would be a possibility where he said, go ahead, leave me, I am with this girl, I'll get to ride with her back home, I'm fine. It's also been confirmed of what I said, because I asked, have they been there before? These friends of his, have they partied before? Answers, yes, and yes. Nolan has been to Horn Island before. Nolan has partied with these friends before. So why did you not go to his mother, Christine, and say, Miss Wells, we're back. Nolan decided to stay back, so just wanted to let you know that we came back. He's coming back on another boat. Why didn't you even send a text if you didn't call? Or you thought it wasn't important? So here is Nolan without a boat ride, because the girl says that he decided that he was going to go with his friends. That's the information that she's giving us. That he said, no, I'll catch up to my friends. So you just left him. And then he had no phone. And then he decided most probably maybe to swim out. And most probably, don't know, drowned. Allegedly, 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 allegedly. If it was that straightforward, then why is everything feeling and looking suspicious? Let me move on. We have an official update. Detectives say no evidence of a crime has been found in Nolan Wells' death at this time as family retains Ben Crump. Authorities say the investigation into the death of 18-year-old Nolan Wells remains active, but the detectives have not found evidence of a crime at this time. According to Jackson County Sheriff John Ledbetter, investigators have interviewed several of Nolan's friends and other witnesses, and the evidence gathered so far does not indicate criminal activity. However, the sheriff emphasized that the case is still ongoing and that the assessment could change if new evidence comes to light. Investigators are continuing to review the digital evidence, conduct interviews, and determine whether a video showing a group arguing near where Nolan's body was found is connected to the case. Of course it's connected to the case. Of course it's connected to the case. Because these boys out here said that, oh, no, he left his phone on the boat. If he left his phone on the boat, then why is Nolan asking and demanding that you return his phone with his hand stretched out, asking for his phone? It means that he took his phone with him. Where is the phone? What's on the phone? Let's see the pictures. Let's see the logs. Let's see the last phone calls he made. Let's see all of the selfies. Everything will be there to tell you exactly what happened to Nolan right to the last minute. Meanwhile, Nolan's family has retained civil rights attorney Ben Crump as they continue to seek answers. Our thoughts remain with Nolan's loved ones during this difficult time. I don't know what to tell you. It doesn't make sense. We have clips and it shows us a beautiful day where they were playing, people are in the water, and you can see the group and you can hear him say, "Give me my phone." You know what I think? I'll tell you what I think. I think, allegedly, somebody was jealous of the relationship Nolan had with this so-called girl. I think, I suspect. And it didn't go down well. Jealousy is a very, very sneaky thing. I just experienced it a couple of days ago. I had no idea. I had no idea that this person felt this way. And this person has felt this way for the last 10 years. And this was me. I was minding my business. I was doing my thing. I was busy running around. I had a baby. I was working. I was hustling out here. I was doing as much as I could. And I loved this person. And I had no idea. And in the last 2 days, I've just been trying to... It's strange. It's a very strange, chilling feeling. Because I laughed with this person. I ate with this person. I did all of these wonderful things with this person. And I'm just finding out. It's not Christina, by the way, if some of you are suspecting. No, it's not Christina. Jealousy, envy, it runs very still. It's like a log that lies underwater. The person that's going to use it is the only one that knows that it's there. Continue to apply pressure. That's all I can say. Be very aware of your surroundings, especially you young ones out there. You think you're having fun, you're laughing, you're playing. The horror, the absolute horror of a young boy, young girl, goes out for 4th of July and does not come back home. You wake up sweating, gasping for breath, praying that this is just a nightmare, that it's a bad dream. I don't know what to say, darlings. I don't know what to say. But because I'm an empath, I will say something doesn't feel right. Something just doesn't, it's not sitting right. If not, I wouldn't have covered it. I'm covering it because I sincerely feel something happened. Suspiciously, allegedly happened. And you have to apply the pressure, because in so doing, we will get the truth. Don't make it easy for them. It's so sad. It's just so very sad. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love.
My name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair. length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking